Hi, Bob Bresky with FlorStar. I wanted to take a minute to walk you through the new lineup from Hartco called Timbrushed, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. Now, as you know, AHF company purchased the Hardwood companies from Armstrong a couple of years ago, and they've done a lot of exciting things since then. One of the things they've done is purchased a factory in Cambodia from LM Flooring about a year ago, and they started working with that company and another company in Cambodia by the name of Nature to develop really the most unique, contemporary, up-to-date set of visuals that you're probably going to see in the hardwood market at this point. So this is a brand new launch for us, brand new for 2021. Specific, we're focused on European white oak wire brush. That really is still the emerging trend. But what we saw initially with that, when we originally brought out medium and dark colors of that wire brushed white oak, now we're seeing a big shift and a quick shift into a lot of lighter colors. We're moving into some silvers and some blondes and some warm and cool mixes. So it's very important that we catch those subtleties, because this look really does appeal to the upper end market. When you're appealing to the upper end market, you're going to have a larger average job size, so nice big orders, and customers in that range are willing to spend more money to get what they want. So specifically, there's a lot of complexity that goes into this. The reason that everybody is using European white oak is that it's very reactive to its environment in terms of different chemicals and different stains. So when they do those treatments, they can draw out a lot of the very, very natural character out of that wood to really make it look nice. They don't really have to do a whole lot to the surface of it, because what you're seeing there is a very natural type of look. The nature of the program, now we have all, of course, been adjusting over the years to working with imported products from Asia and from Europe versus stateside manufacturers. We've all dealt with some long back orders and delays on import product. And it's important to realize certain lines have only import supply, other lines have import supply with a stateside backup. This is one of those lines that has a stateside backup. So we're pulling in containers from Cambodia. That's the best way for us to get the lowest price to you. But in terms of maximizing service to you, we've got backup available to us in Tennessee from AHF. So if we run low on something and the container's still a couple of months out, we can pull things in short term to help service your orders to fill those back orders. So that's a very important distinction to make when you're looking at various imported hardwood products. Now what we've done here is, in this whole Timbrushed collection, we have 3 levels of product. We have silver, which is a 7/16 gauge by 6.5 inch wide construction. This has a 1.2 sliced face on it. Now, of course, important to realize that sliced face comes straight out of the log, as opposed to the rotary, which is peeled around the log. So that sliced face is pretty realistic looking for you. And you'll see here, we've moved into a little bit of a warmer tone. Like I said, it's kind of into a blonde category, but you also see gray highlights. And within the different colors, you're going to see different amounts of grays and warm tones mixed in together. Then we're going to go to gold, which is a 7.5 inch by 1/2 inch cord product, and this has a 2 millimeter sliced face. Again, focusing on the fact that when you look at this lineup, there's a lot of light colors, and that's really where things are trending in this upper end marketplace. Finally, we have Timbrushed Platinum, 9.5 inches wide, long lengths of product, 3 millimeter sawn face. Now, of course, the difference between sawn and sliced is that sawn is literally cut straight out of the log. So if you're looking to emulate a solid hardwood product, make sure that you're purchasing a sawn face product. The display shows 20 by 27 samples. We have them available at FlorStar to ship to you, whatever you're looking for it. We have tote board samples in terms of portability. And of course, if you visit the Hartco website, you can see room stains and all the other information and collateral you would need for that. Thanks for your time.